Today's edition is special. Today we're doing a little bit different. So what we did today, you'll be cooking fish with Garfield himself. I hope you enjoyed this video. JamRock, flarePot, the rapping chef. Where do we? Y'all already know.
Alright people, good afternoon. Welcome to JamRock flarePot. My name is Garfield White. I am the owner of the truck alongside with my two colleagues, Kamar and Omar. We are a nice little team that works together. Real Jamaican, like me say. We try to prepare authentic Jamaican food so you can get the real flavor. Today, I'll be displaying steam fish. JamRock definitely not boast, but we have one of the best steam fish as according to our customer. How do I make that steam fish good? Here's what I do. I have all my seasoning. I try to get an authentic, natural, like the Rasta man that say, ital flavor. So we're not trying to put nothing that is not ital. First, most important, okra. We have okra, we have pumpkin, we have thyme, we have carrots, Irish potato, onion, scallion, same family, but one of them have a little more flavor. And the most important part of it, crackers. Basically what we're doing, we're sauteing our veg. What it does is it brings out all the flavor profile of all the vegetables. So we saute it to kind of soften up the taste and the flavor as it cooks a little more. And the next step is probably add some water. Yellowtail snapper, it's a thin, flaky like fish. So it's not too thick. The thicker the fish be, the harder it is for it to steam. So you want a nice flaky body fish. We can absorb, we can get cooked really fast and absorb the flavor. Next, coconut milk. Every item stew or cook, you want coconut milk in there. Why? Coconut is natural. It's the only thing that mostly people use because it relates to oil and milk that is natural flavor. For about 5 to 10 minutes, you spin your veg around and try to flip your fish around. Time to add your okra. The fish is telling you that, look, I'm cooked, I'm ready for the okra. You don't want your crackers saggy. So what I do, I plate my fish and then I put the crackers on it when the person ready for it. So basically what we're going to do now is just plate the fish. The good old Jamaican Excelsior Rasta crackers. Basically, I just take them and make a nice little circle around the